guys, it's Mandy Pernz. Welcome back to my channel. You know what's so ironic? I'm filming a Twilight content during a scorching hot summer day. 2 weeks ago, there was a typhoon, and that was the perfect time to binge watch Twilight, and we did. But it could have also been the perfect time to do this video, but obviously I can't do that because the rain would be too loud and there's no consistent lighting. And today I thought it was gonna be cloudy because it was raining last night. But obviously, fates aren't on my side, so we're gonna sacrifice myself in this heat. Are you ready? So if you see sweat, I'm sorry, please bear with me. Anyway, if you guys don't know, Twilight is one of my favorite movie series ever. Yes, it's kind of cringy, but it's my comfort movie, so don't come at me. I'm Team Edward, so there's that. Without further ado, let's do this thing. So we'll get the hell out of this room. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share! Let's go. Let's turn this to a game to make this video more interesting, shall we? Rules are simple. I describe the hairstyle and tell you which Twilight movie it is from, and then you try to guess which character. Easy, right? Alright, first is from the first movie. We're having a huff up ponytail situation going on here, and some soft waves for the rest of the hair. Number one tip, y'all, is to always put heat protection before using any heating tools, okay? Then, that's done! Can you guys guess who this is? You may not see it since I'm not blonde, but I recreated Rosalie's hairstyle. This scene was when Bella officially meets the Cullens for the first time. I'm aware my bangs were in the way, thus I look a little weird, but I think this one was quite accurate, don't you think?
Is she even Italian?
Her name is Bella.
I'm sure she'll love it no matter what.
Whew, get away from that. Here comes the human. Perfect. Yeah. Let's just keep pretending like this isn't dangerous for all of us. No, she should know. The entire family will be implicated if this ends badly.
This next one is from Breaking Dawn Part 1. I think you guys might get this quickly, so are you ready? First, I parted my hair on the side and then started a Dutch braid on the bigger side, stopping above my ear, and continued the braid normally. Next, I grabbed the rest of my hair and tied it at the lower back in a ponytail. Then I braided the ponytail in a normal 3-strand braid and tied the ends. Afterwards, I take the braided ponytail and twisted it to make it a bun. I pinned it down with some bobby pins, and next I take the braid from the front, cross it over the bun, and secured it with more bobby pins. Also, not forgetting the baby hairs because they're essential to the look. Did you guys guess it already? Yep, it's Bella on the way to become a Cullen. I know this isn't exactly the hairstyle, but I tried my best recreating this, so A for effort.
Haven't evolved.
For better or for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
To love.
To cherish.
Keys! I don't have an Edward.
What's a wedding present doing out here?
Just a little more private.
The best man didn't have time to get a tux.
Jacob! Jacob. Hey. Hey.
Sun is setting. Third hairstyle is inspired by this character during the third movie Eclipse. We'll use the same side part and start doing a Dutch braid on each side of the hair. Again, we'll stop above the ear. I made sure that the direction of the braids go along the back. Next, we connect the two braids together at the back. Then, grabbing the rest of the hair, I made it into a side braid and tied it off with an elastic. Also, let's not forget to pull out some hair at the front to frame my face. Alright, any idea who this might be? So, I just recreated Rosalie again. This was her look during their battle training with the wolves. I'm not sure about the accuracy, but the resemblance is definitely there.
Lights, camera, action. I see you looking at my PIC. I know. 그게 땡겨 땡겨 좀 더 땡겨 봐봐 기동차지. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. 확하게 확대 확실하게
Next up we have is from the first movie again. This is probably my favorite one out of all the hairstyles in this video. Anyway, this hairstyle is middle parted and curled all the way. So let's go do this! You may wonder why I'm still wearing the jacket if it's so hot. Actually, I turned on the AC after the intro. I don't want to die of heat stroke, guys. Sorry, Mother Nature. Once the curling is done, I took 2 pieces of hair from the front and twisted them together just once away from my face. I then pinned it down with a bobby pin. Next, I took another 2 pieces below that and did the same thing. I repeated all of that on the other side and that's done. Do you know who this is? It's Bella once again, guys. This was her look during their prom. Her curls were more tight than mine, but I don't care. I think I slayed this look. What do you guys think?
Bella.
Jacob. Hey,
Nice.
you too. Are you crashing the prom or something? Do you come with a date?
No,
Let's hear it.
it's just, he said, we'll be watching you.
Okay, well, tell him thanks. And to pay up.
I can't believe you're making me do this.
Smile.
Wow, you are really trying to kill me. I dream about being with you forever.
Forever.
Yes.
God, I am so hungry, I'm not even kidding. Last hairstyle is from Twilight again, the first movie. This look is super easy and you will definitely guess this instantly. I just parted my hair on the side, brush out the curls to make them look softer, and then I'm gonna use this bad boy. I don't wear caps, ever. I just pulled this one out of a rack. Probably belongs to my sister, I don't know. But yes, this is the hairstyle. This is so easy, did you guys guess it? I recreated Esme's look during the scene that literally carried the whole movie series. The iconic baseball scene. That's just facts, everyone. Facts.
Let's go. Glad you're here. We need an umpire.
She thinks we cheat.
Well, I know you cheat. Call him as you see him, Bella. Okay. That's gotta be a home run, right? Edward's very fast. You're out. Ow!
So hungry! Alright, let's go. And that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not gonna say as much as I did because I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I'm in my period, that's why. But anyway, give this a like if you love Twilight and let me know what your favorite hairstyle was. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share! I'll see you in my next video!